Hey guys, welcome back to another Crimson Red video. Today I will be unboxing 3 new Funko Pops, and yeah, let's get into it. So right now, that's my collection so far. So you see, there we got Deadpool, then there's Coca-Cola, there's Squirtle, there's Venomous Thanos, there's Red Chromium Batman, there's Diamond Edition Mickey Mouse. Today we are also unboxing Ghost Panther, who's a special edition and glows in the dark, but it's not dark out, so yeah, I'm just gonna show him off today. Then there's Zombie Thor from the Marvel Zombies line, and then there's Deku from My Hero Academia. So yeah, now I'm gonna start unboxing them. So first up, here's Ghost Panther out of the box. You know how he's a special edition, it's because he's got the chain in his hand on fire, and because he glows in the dark. So if you didn't know, he's from Infinity Warps, and he's Ghost Rider fused with Black Panther. And here's the box. So it says Ghost Panther Glow in the Dark Special Edition. There's that side of the box. It's got lots of comic marks, Pop, Marvel, Ghost Panther, yep. See, that's the focus. That's the one with the fire fist. Then there's Diamond Patch, who is Emma Frost with Wolverine. Then Madame Heck. Then Arachnite, which is Moon Knight and Spider-Man. Soldier Supreme, which is Captain America and Doctor Strange. Then Iron Hammer, which is obviously Thor and Iron Man. Then other side of the box, top of the box, and then yeah, that's Ghost Panther for you. Now we got Zombie Thor out of the box, and he is he's obviously a zombie. He's got the zombie face. We got his helmet, his hair, which is the same on Blacklight Thor. We got a mani with whatever that stuff is. Then we got his body, his cape, shoes. He's got a hole in his leg because he comes with a stand. So yeah. Here's the box. So it says Zombie Thor. If you didn't know, Ghost Panther's number is 863. Zombie Thor's is 787. So there's the front of the box. Then there's the side, the back, which I really like. So Zombie Red Hulk, Zombie Thor, Zombie Gambit, Zombie Doctor Doom, and Zombie Murdoch. And there's the other side and the top. Now here we got Deku out of the box. If you didn't know, Deku is from My Hero Academia anime. This is what he looks like. And his shoes, classic. His suit, yeah. Green wavy hair, classic. If you didn't know, here's the box, number 247. Yep, Deku, he's from Pop Animations, because he's from an anime. There's the side of the box, people really like that. Then here's the back of the box. There's Deku, which I have, All Might, Ochako, Tanya, and Katsuki. And here's the other side of the box and the top. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the boxes down. So order I like them in is I like Zombie Thor there, Deku here, and yep, Ghost Panther there. Now these 3 pops, I really like them, and I can't wait to see what Ghost Panther looks like in the dark. Or like maybe Deku, I'd like to see like nothing about him. Then I'd like to start maybe get another Marvel Zombies pop. Anyway, pops in the future I'm hoping to get. No, I'm not gonna say them, but yeah, I really like these 3 pops. So here's the collection. Oh, Zombie Thor just fell. Zombie Thor just fell. So these 3 are the newest to the collection. And yeah. Anyway, Ghost Panther doesn't stand very well, does he? Yep, he doesn't. Anyway, that's it for this video, and hopefully we could see maybe instead of Roblox heroes, maybe pop heroes. Because I'm starting to get a lot. Yeah, maybe I'll get pop heroes. And yeah. See ya. Crimson Red out. Make sure, no, like and subscribe if you want. You don't have to. Choose if you want to or not. I'm not forcing you like those other YouTubers. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and hope you like my pop collection. And yeah, bye.